Vision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, these storms are accelerating east-southeastward right now. We're just beginning to see them get to the Kankakee River way up on our northwest border right as we speak. First of all, you see the pink. Those are the severe thunderstorm watches. Most of those up until about 11 o'clock this evening Eastern time. But we also have severe thunderstorm warnings up now in these orange polygons. You see northern Newton and central and northern Jasper counties. The bulk of these storms are going to get in here 6 p.m. and last up to about 11. But in our far north, these are coming in pretty quickly now, right before 6 o'clock. You can see the severe thunderstorm warning up for Newton County. That will go until 5:30 Eastern time, 4:30 Central, and there's 5 Central and 6 Eastern time for the severe thunderstorm warning for central and northern Jasper counties. Now the storms are back building, so if you're watching us in Fowler, Delphi, Brookston, Monticello, Lafayette, Frankfort, all these other areas, they are back building, and these storms will impact the rest of the viewing area this evening with some severe weather risk. So keep that in mind. Keep your guard up as these move southeast and southeastward at a pretty good clip. There we go. There they are right now, moving into northwest Newton County right now. The biggest threat right now is the wind. This is our wind product on radar, and you can see where we've got these pinks here. That does indicate some pockets of winds gusting 60 to 70 miles an hour. We got one pocket right along the Kankakee River on the Jasper County line, and then another pocket that's just now moving in near the Lake Village area and just north of Enos, right in this zone. So winds 60 to 70 associated with that. And this is some pea-sized hail mixed in. Some of this hail is near 1 inch in diameter in Illinois, but most of this is a little bit of pea hail mixed in blinding rainfall and all these high winds. And when these storms come through, I mean, visibility will be less than 1/10 of a mile with this wind and this kind of rain coming into Newton and Jasper County right as we speak. Here are times of arrivals. Roselawn, about 3 minutes. Rensselaer, 25 minutes. Now, Monon, it's closer to like an hour, and it's the same thing for Winnemac. I think down towards Remington, it's more like about an hour. Towards Kentland, you're pushing about an hour before this even begins to move in. So you got a little bit of time before it heads your way. And then for Lafayette, this is still about 93 miles away. And if it's moving at about 50 miles an hour, that would put it in Greater Lafayette in about 2 hours. And it's about 57 miles from Fowler. That would put it in that area in about an hour. Now for Delphi, it's probably going to be a couple of hours, maybe a little less than that when this starts to come into your area. This is a slight risk of severe weather. It's a level 2 out of 5 for scattered severe storms. Main threats wind. Can't rule out a little hail. Can't rule out a brief isolated tornado mixed up in this. The best threat from Attica and Lafayette to south of Logansport and northwestward. That is the slight risk. It's more marginal or isolated towards Frankfort, Romney, and Crawfordsville. Here's 18 Precision Cast. This is 7 o'clock this evening. This model projection, you can see the storms coming into the northwest half of the viewing area. Here we are around 9:30. Again, we're looking at storms in the heart of the area. This model might be just a hair slow, but right in the heart of the area, a broken line of storms with severe weather risk. I think by 11, this is going to be very slowly weakening in our southeastern counties and pulling away, and we're fine by 1:30, and tomorrow is actually going to be a pretty nice day as the humidity drops. So storms coming in this evening, severe weather risk. We drop to the upper 60s by midnight, but tomorrow, a different story. Nice day, 82. Winds pretty brisk from the northwest and low humidity after 58 in the morning. And finally, not bad on Thursday either. Sunshine, some clouds, nice north-northwest wind blowing. Low humidity at 80 after a morning low of 55. When we get warnings, we'll do some Facebook Lives. I'll be updating the blog and my Facebook page with the latest weather information right through the evenings as we track these storms together as they move east-southeastward. 86 Friday, dry, not humid Saturday, but hot with 90. 90 Sunday, 91 Monday, couple storms late Tuesday, then just a hair cooler in the 80s.